Today I'm going to show you how to convert HEVC H.265 videos to H.264 using HandBrake, step by step, in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. If you've ever had a video that won't play smoothly on certain devices, or you want a more compatible file format for sharing, editing, or uploading, this tutorial will help. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the main interface with the source panel and the destination settings. The first thing you need to do is load your HEVC video into HandBrake. You can do this by clicking Open Source, then browsing to the video file on your computer, or by dragging and dropping the file directly into the HandBrake window. After a few moments, HandBrake will scan the video and load all the important details. Once the video is loaded, the next step is to select a preset. A preset gives you a good starting point and saves you from having to configure every setting manually. For this example, choose something like Fast 1080p30. That preset is a solid baseline for most standard videos and gives you a balance of speed and the quality. If your video is a different resolution or frame rate, you can still use a similar preset and adjust it later if needed. After selecting the preset, go to the Video tab. This is where the main encoding settings are located, and it's the key section for changing your file from HEVC H.265 to H.264. Inside the Video tab, look for the Video Encoder drop-down menu. This is the setting that determines which codec HandBrake will use when converting your file. Now open the Video Encoder drop-down menu and choose the H.264 option that fits your system. If you want CPU encoding, select H.264 X264. This is the most common choice and is usually very reliable. If you want to use your graphics card for faster encoding, select H.264 NVEnc if you have NVIDIA hardware, or H.264 QSV if you have supported Intel hardware. GPU encoding can be faster, which is helpful if you're converting large files or working with multiple videos. Once you've selected the encoder, double-check the frame rate settings. Make sure the frame rate, or FPS, is set to same as source. This is important because it helps preserve the original timing and motion of the video. Keeping it the same as the source helps avoid accidental frame changes that could make the video look different from the original. At this point, you can also glance over the rest of your settings to make sure everything looks correct. You don't usually need to change much else if your main goal is just to convert from HEVC to H.264. But it's always a good idea to check your output location, file name, and any quality settings before starting the encode. When you're ready, click Start Encode at the top of HandBrake. The conversion process will begin, and you'll see the progress bar moving as HandBrake works through your video. Depending on the length of the file and whether you chose CPU or GPU encoding, this may take a few minutes or longer. If you selected X264, it may take a bit more time, but can offer great compatibility. If you chose NVEnc or QSV, the process may finish faster. Once the encode is complete, HandBrake will save the new H.264 version of your video to the destination folder you selected. You can now use that file for editing, uploading, archiving, or playing on devices that prefer H.264 over HEVC. So that's it. You've successfully converted HEVC H.265 to H.264 in HandBrake. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click, and now you can do it anytime you need a more compatible video format. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.